Hi guys, welcome back my video. Today I will share with you an amazing topic. What did you see at the zoo? I saw pandas. What did the pandas do when you were there? They ate slowly. What did you see at the zoo? I saw tigers. What did the tigers do when you were there? They roared loudly. What did you see at the zoo? I saw crocodiles. What did you see at the zoo? I saw gorillas. What did the gorillas do when you were there? They ate quickly. What did you see at the zoo? I saw peacocks. What did the peacock do when you were there? They moved beautifully. What did you see at the zoo? I saw pythons. What did the pythons do when you were there? They moved quietly. Yes, let's share with me. What did you do at the zoo? Yes, thanks for watching my video.